Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Books for accounting. Zoho Books is a powerful, cloud-based accounting solution perfect for small and growing businesses. It simplifies financial management by automating many tasks, from invoicing to expense tracking. We'll explore its intuitive interface and show you how to get started quickly, ensuring your financial records are organized and accurate from day one. This guide will help you leverage its core features effectively. To begin, you'll want to set up your organization's profile and financial preferences within Zoho Books. This includes defining your fiscal year and tax settings. Next, customize your chart of accounts to accurately categorize every financial transaction. Don't forget to add all your customers and vendors. This is crucial for efficient invoicing and managing bills. Finally, connect your bank accounts to enable automatic feeds and simplify reconciliation, saving you valuable time each month. Zoho Books makes managing daily transactions straightforward. You can easily create and send professional invoices, choosing from various customizable templates to match your brand. Recording expenses is simple. Categorize them and link them to specific projects or clients for better tracking. The platform also allows you to generate insightful financial reports, such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets, providing a clear overview of your business's health. You can even track inventory efficiently. Beyond the basics, Zoho Books offers advanced features to further streamline your operations. Automate recurring invoices and payment reminders to ensure you get paid on time, significantly improving your cash flow. Use project accounting to monitor the profitability of individual projects, giving you deeper insights. The platform integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications and many third-party services, expanding its capabilities. Plus, you can securely access your financial data from any device, offering unparalleled flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.